Hi, Farmer Kathy here, back at the Thomasson Family Farm. Been an interesting Saturday out here, but we are ready to start putting in one of our new fences that we're going to need so we can keep some of the animals out of our corn patch. Behind me you see the heifers that are here during the summer. Pretty curious animals. Every time we get up here and do a little work, they want to come right up and see what's going on. Farmer Tim, how old are these animals?
Yearlings.
Yearlings that are going to be here till probably mid-September, when they'll have to leave and go visit some friends, and they'll be back the 1st of November. So stick around. Maybe we'll show you that new fence we've got going. Out here fixing fence at the Thomasson Family Farm. Farmer Tim just started the tractor up to run his first line, and it always makes me laugh. The animals hear that tractor start and they just come running, usually single file, all the way up to see what's going on. You'd think we fed them with the tractor, which we don't. They're usually fed in the barn. I think it's just what they associate with Farmer Tim's sound. So here they come. They want to make sure, they've got the whole field out there full of grass, and every one of them is sitting up here in the freshly plowed dirt here. We just plowed 2 days ago. We're going to put our corn maze in here, so building a couple fences so that we can keep the cattle out of the corn, and starting to build a fence. So stay tuned.